So, hey people, I am recording an Animal Jam video, Play Wild video, excuse me. And I am going to show you just some of the animals that I have, animals and pets. And I'm going to show you one of the Animal Jam new updates. It's not really new, but it's like pet expedition, and I'm gonna level up my pets. So we start out here. I'm gonna go to my den because my dens are awesome. Yeah, I know, I'm awesome. This is car 16 dance fave, and okay, so here, that's my little pet thingy. Let's see here. Okay, so I guess I get like a random pet. Okay, cool. So I guess I guess. Wow, this is actually really interesting, and I almost forgot I was video. So, does it matter what one I choose? I guess. Oh, that's what you need. Perfect. You're in perfect condition now. Okay, you don't need anything. It's good. Okay, so that was my elephant one. So as I said, I was gonna show you all my pets. So that was the first one that you see there, my chick, my lynx, my parrot, my elephant, my bee, my polar bear, and pet rockhopper, penguin, and peregrine falcon. Anyways, now since like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, I have 8 pets in total. So now I'm gonna stop there, and I'm going to show you all my animals. So this is my main wolf, as you can see, my main wolf. My maned, excuse me, maned. I have my main wolf. Arctic fox. Oh, I have my python. My fat fox. Peregrine falcon. Hyena. Deer. Flamingo. And I have my red panda. I have fox. I have snow leopard. I have a panda. I have a bunny. I have a giraffe, and I have a lot of animals. I realized I have a monkey. I have a wolf. I have a penguin. I have a tiger, and I have another penguin. So I have a lot of them, but my main animals, they're usually like the new animals that I have. So right now it's like my main wolf and Arctic wolf. And my main pet, I don't really have a main pet because, yeah. I really like this one because it's like really cool. I'm gonna go as this one. I'm gonna do this one. And let's go to Mount Shiver. And I'm going to show you the secret Arctic place. But first, let's go here. I want to see what's in here. If it's like the .com one, just .com like shop, you know that. Wait, what? They have little things over their head with a shop thing. I'm guessing that means they're shopping. Where's the shop? Oh my god. Oh, it's over here. In .com, it's over there. But in Play Wild, it's here. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, they have pot o' gold earmuffs, just like in .com, but cheaper. Well, actually, in .com, I'm basically almost broke. So, yeah, I'm gonna get because it's, it's like St. Patrick's Day, and also, I don't get to go to school on St. Patrick's Day because of that stupid virus. Excuse me, the coronavirus. What? I said nothing. I totally said nothing. But yeah, that thing. And yeah, we get off for 2 weeks, which I'm still really mad about. But yeah, today is Saturday, March 14th, and it's Pie Day. So you know what? What am I doing? I should be wearing my pie outfit, even though it's March. I need to wear the pie outfit on this Arctic wolf. Because even though it's on my main wolf, I'm putting it on my Arctic wolf. Because I can. You know, I should save it. Like, on my main wolf. How do you say it? I forget. So, let's see. I'm going to go like this. Save. Remember if it's Okay, and I'm gonna switch. Okay, cool. It's pie day, people. Cool. Here you go. Yay. Okay, now let's go to the Arctic Wolf place. Oh wow, that is so weird. That's the Arctic Wolf place. I'm not there yet. But look, you get to go to that sandy area. What is it called? What is it called? Crystal Sands. You gotta go there. Wait, yeah, you gotta go there from there. Or is it something else? I don't even know anymore. Yeah, it's a shortcut there. What? That makes no sense. I'm in confusion, but okay. Oh yeah, because that goes to, Crystal Sands, at the top. Oh, but here we go. Arctic Wolf Place. Wait, no, what? I have to click it. Oh, okay. I'm really bad at this stuff. But yeah, life is good. Life is good, yo. I've only been here like one other time. It's so weird. Like, you get transported here, and then you go here. Oh my gosh, there's so many Arctic wolves. Oh, I'm sorry. What are you sorry for? I want to say that, but I don't want to be rude. Add more what? What? I am so in confusion, but I'm just gonna do this. And then, where's that question mark one? Yeah, I'm gonna do this one, like that. Am I in confusion? Oh my gosh, the stalagmites are falling. Ah, it's a safety hazard, people. That's a safety hazard. Ah! Ah! Oh yeah, I need to show you the shop here, even though I like bought all of the stuff. And I think I'm broke. Yeah, no, I thought I was broke of sapphires. But I'm not, because I'm a member. Boom! So, yeah, I got everything there. Wait, no, there's an ice television? I did not see that. Okay. Why did I get a red one? It should be blue. Not red. There we go. Okay. Now I'm good. Lips good, yo. I'm gonna recycle that red one because I realized, why is ice red? It should be blue. Unless if you do that random science fair project, which is the ice, it's colored. And here is the portal back with the little swishy line and the blue ball. It's like a portal back. Oh yeah, there's one more thing I definitely need to show you, guys. So now back to Jamaa Township, the style way, this way. No, that's the Hair Forest. No, I don't know how to pronounce it. Okay. We're just gonna go this way. That's nowhere near Jamaa. Oh my gosh. But it'll get me there eventually. Jamaa. Here. Could I just click them all and world by whatever? I'm a mystery. Okay, so I wanted to show you peeps. Well, you know what? Let's just update stuff. Okay, so let's update. Okay, any new updates? Oh wow. Okay, so they're there. You probably guys know, but they're the Himalayan Taurus and Mono. For the first time ever, Himalayan Taurus have come to Jamaa. These animals are relatives of goats. I did not know that actually, but they look like goats with giant beards, but that's not in the text. They live in herds on rocky mountains in the Himalayas. They can be found from northern India to Tibet. If you want to make your star, then check out the Lucky Himalayan Tar Bundle. It comes with a new animal, the Shamrock outfit, and Skipper Shamrock outfit that can be found outside this bundle. And then Pie Day, it's today. The pie. Okay, so I need to definitely read this. It's celebration of Pie Day in Jamaa with some fun Pie Day armor available for 1 week only. That's good to know. Shamrock Basin and bundle. Okay, so they got a new bundle. Wish list. This spring you can make your wishes come true. Jammers can now create wish lists and fill it with items they would like to have. So trade in a jammer sometimes on their wish list, or trade in a buddy for something they've always wanted. Lucky day, cool, interesting. I'm just like skipping over this stuff. Pac-Wan, Lucky Hills, cool. Ooh, we have pet hedgehogs. Amazing trading. Trading has become better than ever. Now when you trade with another, you can both offer up to 24 items. 24 items. Repeat. Okay. And the improvements don't end there. This new system also allows jammers to chat with each other as they trade. Try trading with your buddies and getting handling? I don't know what that says actually. But yeah, so that makes sense, because like the trading was just like, what is this? Okay, so now that I give you an update, I want to show you one last thing before I end this video. I should have made an intro, but this is my first video, so yeah. It's not the best, but I'm trying here. So, yeah. Take that, people. Okay, so this is the new island. Well, it's been out for a while, but I feel like adding it in my video. Okay. So they got some shops. The Pie Day shop. Wait, the Pie Day stuff is gonna be only out for a week, so I better buy that before it goes away. Even though it's member only, I'm still gonna have to buy it this week, which I'm off this week, so that's fine. Then there's this, 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 and then this. Okay. Now that I showed you one shop, I gotta show you the clothing shop, obviously. I mean, I might buy something, I may not. No, go this way. No. Okay, so I already have something here. I have, that obtaining, this looks cool. That looks cool. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna buy it right now, right here, right now. I'm gonna get this. I don't put things on my wish list. I just buy them. I got that Tiki spade collar. And where's that dress? Yeah, I got the slippers and the dress. Not even the dress, but it's still whatever. I should put on like that luminaire. I don't know how to pronounce it. I should put on that like No, I have to like change my look. I either want to keep it Pie Day or something else. Trying to find that like one, like, you know, that one that I just saw. Here we go. Ooh, it's cool. So I'm either probably going to be in this outfit, or I'm going to go to the top slide. Because, you know. Okay. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, for you people watching this video, it probably looks like you're sliding down with me. It's so cool. It looks like you're controlling it, but you're not. Alright. Thank you for watching this video. And IzCar 16 is going to be out in about now. Goodbye and have a great party!